It's a vibe thing. You like the vibes, yeah. It's a vibe thing. You like the vibe.
So things you'll need is your root color. I use light ash brown. You're gonna need clips, a brush, gloves, and a coloring bowl. So right now I'm just taking out the developer and I'm just pouring it into a bowl just so it makes it easier. And then I'm gonna squeeze in the color cream. Now I'm just mixing the color and the developer all together, making sure it's nice and smooth. Alright guys, now time to apply the color to the closure. So what you want to do is subdivide sections and apply the color as neatly as possible, only to the hair, because you don't want to touch the lace because it will turn the lace dark and it obviously will not match your skin. So only getting right to like almost the root. Well, basically the root, yeah. You're getting close to the root, but you're not touching the lace. I got like a little bit on my lace, so it bled through a little bit, but like you can't even notice. But yeah, so just keep sectioning and applying, and as you guys can see, it starts to change, starting to get that ashy tone. And depending on how you want your shadow root, like if you want a longer shadow root or a shorter shadow root, just apply the color according to. I only did mine like a short one just because I wanted most of my hair to be blonde. I did the shadow root mostly just to kind of make it blend with my skin tone, because you know blonde is very, you know, bright and out there, and your girl is brown. So I try to make it blend. You can go further down. I probably would have went further down, but I'm like, already done. You also want to be careful when flopping the hair over onto the pre-colored pieces, just so it doesn't bleed onto the blonde. So that was my last piece to color. I'm just going around and touching up the perimeter, any pieces that I did miss. Process it by letting it sit for 30 minutes or the amount of time that it says in the instructions. So this is the final product. It turned out pretty good, and the color is nice and ashy, really ashy brown. It kind of looks black in the camera. When I bring it closer, it's more brown. But now I'm gonna go in and tone the remaining blonde. As you can see, I did get a little bit on the lace, but it's not too much of a big deal.